everyone. I welcome you all to this session of online class. Last week, what did we learn? We learned about Shabd and Pad. Shabd. What is Shabd? वर्णों के सार्थक समूह को शब्द कहते हैं. And what is पद? जब शब्दों के मेल से उसे जब वाक्य में प्रयोग किया जाता है तब पद बनता है. So all of you learned that word, isn't it? Now today, before moving on to our next lesson, I would like to ask, how many of you like to do adventurous things? Adventure in the sense mountain climbing, then trekking, or any other adventurous thing, gliding, anything. How many of you like? You like? Everyone like? Yeah, most of us don't do that thing. Some do that one. If we are talking about the Himalayas or Everest, the main attraction of Himalayas is Everest. We are talking about Everest. What comes to your mind? So do you want to see Everest? Have a watch. Okay, Everest. So now everyone watched Everest. And climbing Everest, the top of Everest, is so difficult. You all know that. So now in our next lesson is about the Everest climbing. Do you know who is the writer? Bajentri Pal, the first woman to climb Everest. This lesson tells us about the hazardous mountain climbing of her. It's a biography by Bajentri Pal. The name of the lesson is Everest Meri Shikhar Yatra. So we will move on to our lesson. All of you open your book in front of you and look into it when I am reading and try to understand when I am saying the meaning of it. Okay, children? Everest Meri Shikhar Yatra. I'll read it. You have to follow me, okay? एवरेस्ट अभियान दल 7 मार्च को दिल्ली से काठमांडू के लिए हवाई जहाज से चल दिया. So our Bajentri Pal and team are going to climb the Everest. And when did she left? The team left on 7th March to Kathmandu. So it is in Nepal. So Kathmandu, they have to go from there. So 7th March they left from Delhi. How did they go? They went in plane. एक मजबूत अग्रिम दल बहुत पहले ही चला गया था, जिससे कि वह हमारे बेस कैंप पहुंचने से पहले दुर्गम हिमपात के रास्ते को साफ कर सके. See, when the team is going for mountaineering or climb the Everest, a group of people, the helpers, will go first. Agrim Dal means a team had already left. Why? Because they have to clear the mountain. To climb Mount Everest is not easy. So the people are not aware of the dangers that is coming when they climb the Everest mountain. So experienced people are there, the helpers. So who go there and clear all the things on the way. So many things, many dangers are there. Himalaya or the Mount Everest, snow-filled mountains. So anytime anything happen. So to clear all these things, to make aware of the dangers, these people go first. So Durgam Sthal. Durgam means it is very dangerous sthal. Durgam, but difficult. Himpat means snowfall. So many dangerous snowfalls are there, and when the snowfall is coming, that time it is very difficult to climb. So to clear all that thing, these people had already gone before the main team left. Okay. Now next paragraph. Namche Bazaar शेरपा लैंड का एक सर्वाधिक महत्वपूर्ण नगरीय क्षेत्र है. नमचे बाजार, शेरपा लैंड. So there is one place called Namche Bazaar, the market, and Sherpas, the people who live there, they are called Sherpas. So एक सर्वाधिक महत्वपूर्ण नगरीय क्षेत्र है. नगर, the town. So there in Kathmandu, the main place is Namche Bazaar, and Sherpa land. The land is called Sherpa land. And that सर्वाधिक महत्वपूर्ण means very important place in at that place. Okay. अधिकांश शेरपा इसी स्थान तथा यहीं के आसपास के गांवों के होते हैं. So Sherpas, these people are led by the Sherpas. The Sherpas are the people who live there. Okay. So the Sherpa in this place, that Namche Bazar, that is called the Sherpa land, and most of the people, the Sherpas are there. So nearby places, आस-पास के गांव, nearby places they live. अधिकांश शेरपा इसी स्थान तथा यहीं के आसपास के गांव के होते हैं. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द शेरपास आर फ्रॉम हियर एंड नियर बाय विलेजेस. ओके. यह नामचे बाजार ही था जहां से मैंने सर्वप्रथम एवरेस्ट को निहारा, जो नेपालियों में सागरमाथा के नाम से प्रसिद्ध है. So when they reached the Sherpa land, from there our writer, that is Baijantri Pal, who saw the mountain. Which mountain? Mount Everest. Sarva Pratham Everest ko nihara tha. She saw Mount Everest first time when she reached Namche Bazar, जो नेपालियों में सागर माता के नाम से प्रसिद्ध है. एंड द नेपालीज कॉल दिस माउंट एवरेस्ट सागर माता. दे आर वेरी मच loving this Everest. So they call this Mount Everest as Sagar Mata. Sagar Mata means the mother of Sagar. So it is believed that Mount Everest was uplifted from the ocean. So they believe that it as Sagar Mata. They call Sagar Mata. Okay. मुझे यह नाम अच्छा लगा. I liked the name very much. एवरेस्ट की तरफ गौर से देखते हुए मैंने एक भारी बर्फ का बड़ा फूल देखा, प्लूम देखा, जो पर्वत शिखर पर लहराता एक ध्वज सा लग रहा था. Now what did she see? एवरेस्ट की तरफ गौर से देखते हुए. गौर से देखना means very keen, with keen eyes she was looking towards the Everest, carefully looking. So गौर से देखना, very clearly she was looking, very in a eagerly looking to the Everest. So मैंने एक भारी बर्फ का बड़ा फूल देखा. So when she was looking Everest, what did she saw? She saw a bada fool. Bada fool means big flower. It was a plume. What is a plume? It was it is the snow that is coming up like a flower. When snow wind is arising, that time it becomes like that. So मैंने एक भारी बर्फ का बड़ा फूल देखा. She saw one big snow flower coming. Okay, जो पर्वत शिखर पर लहराता एक ध्वज सा लग रहा था. And that plume was looking like what? It was looking like a flag. Okay, a flag was. It was looking like a flag which was on the mountain. Okay, how when wind is coming, that time what will happen to the this flag? It will flow, no. So lehrata ek dhwaj. When we hoist a flag, that time how the flag will be when the wind is coming, when the breeze is blowing, it will be moving, isn't it? So when she saw that flower, that plume of the snow, how it was looking, it was liking as if someone has hoisted a flag on the mountain, and it was just fluttering in the air. Okay, so next, moving on to the next line. मुझे बताया गया कि यह दृश्य शिखर की ऊपरी सतह के आसपास 150 मीटर अथवा इससे भी अधिक से हवा चलने के कारण बनता था. So मुझे बताया गया था. She was told what? यह दृश्य शिखर की ऊपरी सतह के आसपास, on the top of the mountain, nearly 150 kilometer or more than that, what will happen that time when the snow or the हवा चलने पर, हवा means when the breeze, or not breeze, when the storm or when air blows in a forceful way, that time it happens. 150 kilometers above it is happening. अधिक 150 kilometer अथवा इससे भी अधिक गति से, that is the wind is blowing more than 150 kilometer. Okay, so see how speed it will be. So at that speed, when the wind is blowing, that time it happens. Okay. क्योंकि तेज हवा से सूखा बर्फ पर्वत पर उड़ता रहता है. Why this is happening? When the wind is blowing in a very speed, that time the snow also fly off. See, when when the desert area, when wind is blowing, that time sand will flow, isn't it, with the wind. The same way in the mountain area, that where is that flood full of snow, that time when wind is blowing, this snow also start flying with the wind. So when that's why it is said that when the wind was blowing, क्योंकि तेज हवा से सूखा बर्फ, the dry, सूखा बर्फ means the dry wind, the dry snow. तेज हवा से, when the wind is blowing in a speed, that time the dry snow will fly with the wind. कि तेज हवा से सूखा बर्फ पर्वत पर उड़ता रहता है. पर्वत पर उड़ता रहता है means this snow will fly along the wind above the mountain region. When the wind is blowing in a speed, that time it happens. Okay. बर्फ का यह ध्वज 10 किलोमीटर या इससे भी लंबा हो सकता था. So what is being said here? See what is said? It is said that बर्फ का यह ध्वज 10 किलोमीटर या इससे भी लंबा हो सकता था. ध्वज 10 किलोमीटर तक, बर्फ का यह ध्वज, that is the flag of snow, can be 10 kilometers or more than that long. Lamba means long. This snow which is flying along with the wind, it may be of 10 kilometers. Okay, for 10 kilometers long it will be. So sometimes it may be more than 10 kilometers. Okay, so it was looking like a flag, and it was 10 kilometers, or sometimes it will be more than 10 kilometers. ओके, नेक्स्ट लाइन, शिखर पर जाने वाले प्रत्येक व्यक्ति को दक्षिण पूर्वी पहाड़ी पर इन तूफानों को झेलना पड़ता था, विशेषकर खराब मौसम में. See how difficult is to climb Mount Everest and that mountain. Dangers come from many ways, isn't it? So, Bhaijendri is saying that how difficult it was. When the climate is not in favor, that time many dangers occur. Snowfall will be there, like flu will be there. And when wind is blowing in a cyclonic way, that time the snow will also come with it, and we will not know what will happen next. Sometimes we will be under that one. Many years it will be there. No one will know that also when suddenly it happens. Okay, so many people don't go also. Some who are adventurous like Bhaijendri and others, they will go, isn't it? So when she was going, their team was going, that time what happened? शिखर पर जाने वाले प्रत्येक व्यक्ति को दक्षिण पूर्वी पहाड़ी पर इन तूफानों का झेलना पड़ता था. The person who are climbing on to the mountain, shikhar means top of the mountain. Those who wish to climb on the top, they has to face Dakshin Purvi Pahadi means southeast mountain region. So there is a route for climbing the mountain. So they were going through that way, and those who are going that way, they have to face such kind of cyclone. Okay, they had to face cyclone plus other hazards. विशेषकर खराब मौसम में, when विशेषकर especially what time? When the climate is not good. When the climate is good, no problem, nothing will happen. But when climate is not good, not in favor, that time what will happen? This type of wind, this type of cyclone will come with the snowfall, snow with snow. That is, the cyclone is taking the snow also. That time full snow will be coming, and it will make us fall down, and we will lose our grip and we will fall under it, and no one will be there to see what is happening, and no one can help also. So when it is coming, we have to be careful. Okay, so she took such a risk for climbing the Everest. यह मुझे डराने के लिए काफी था, फिर भी मैं एवरेस्ट के प्रति विचित्र रूप से आकर्षित थी और इसकी कठिनतम चुनौतियों का सामना करना चाहती थी. See how brave our Bhaijendri was. यह मुझे डराने के लिए काफी था. In place of her, if we were there, what will happen? We will get scared and we will come back. But what she is saying, यह मुझे डराने के लिए काफी था. This was only enough for me to get scared. But what she did, फिर भी मैं एवरेस्ट के प्रति विचित्र रूप से आकर्षित थी. विचित्र रूप से आकर्षित. She was very much fond of Everest. Beauty of the Everest was in her, and she wanted to climb over it. She wanted to do something, and the beauty of Everest
was there and she wanted to see what will happen if she go up there and how it will look. ओके सो फिर मैं एवरेस्ट के प्रति विचित्र रूप से आकर्षित थी. आई वॉज वेरी मच फाउंड ऑफ द ब्यूटी ऑफ एवरेस्ट एंड सो आई डिड नॉट लीव माई टास्क. और इसकी कठिनतम चुनौतियों का सामना करना चाहती थी. कठिनतम चुनौतियां, द ग्रेट डिफिकल्ट टास्क वॉज देयर इन फ्रंट ऑफ हर while climbing the Mount Everest. So she did not want to lose it and she was ready to face. सामना करना चाहती थी means she was ready to face all the difficult task. Okay.
Children, today we will learn this much only. Hope that you all have understood what I took. You have to do one thing. You have to read the paragraphs until I took 5 times. You have to find out the difficult words. And you have to do a task also. You have to find 5 questions of your own. That will be your homework or assignment. Okay, children? So, we will continue this lesson in the next class. Until then, have a nice day to you all too. Okay, thank you.